Want to enable instant screen sharing in CrankWheel to give your clients a seamless, real-time experience? Stick with me, because I'll show you exactly how to do that, and you'll be up and running in no time. First, let's talk about the basics. CrankWheel is an easy-to-use tool for instant screen sharing, which allows you to share your screen with clients instantly without them having to download any software or make any special preparations. It's perfect for quick demos or support calls, and today, I'll show you how to enable that instant screen sharing feature. The first thing you need to do is log into your CrankWheel account. If you don't have one yet, you can use this software completely free with our exclusive bonuses by following the link below. You'll get access to the full functionality, including this instant screen sharing feature, which is pretty powerful. Once you're logged in, head over to the Settings section. This is where you can control all the important aspects of your CrankWheel account, including screen sharing settings. It's important to make sure everything is set up correctly before you start using the instant screen share feature. Next, look for the instant screen sharing toggle in the settings. When you find it, simply switch it on. This will activate the feature, allowing you to start sharing your screen with just one click when you're on a call. It's as simple as that. No need for any complicated setup or additional software. You'll be able to share your screen in an instant, making your interactions more efficient. Next thing, let's make sure your screen sharing settings are optimized. You can adjust what's shared, whether it's your entire screen or just a specific window, based on what works best for your needs. Some people prefer sharing their entire screen, while others may want to only show a single app or window. It's all up to you. Another point worth mentioning is how to invite others to view your screen. Once you've activated instant screen sharing, all you need to do is click on the link CrankWheel generates for you. You can send that link to your client, and within seconds, they'll be able to see your screen in real time. It's that easy. No downloads, no waiting. Just instant sharing. The fourth thing you'll want to do is ensure your CrankWheel browser extension is installed. This extension makes it even easier to start instant screen sharing, and without it, the feature may not work properly. If you haven't installed the extension yet, make sure you do so by following the instructions on the CrankWheel website. Finally, let's talk about security. CrankWheel is designed to be secure, and it doesn't store any of your shared data. Once the session ends, everything disappears. Your clients will appreciate that their information stays protected, and you can be confident that your business interactions are secure. Now that you know how to enable instant screen sharing in CrankWheel, you're ready to enhance your client calls and demos. Remember, you can use CrankWheel for free by following the link below for an extended trial, so don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, make sure to check out the exclusive offer linked below.